Hey guys, today's morning of the day. I don't even know. Well, we took like a 3-hour nap and woke up. It's like, look, I don't even know if this is the right time right now, but like, yeah, first day in New York City. Let's go eat scrambled eggs, cheese, and turkey sausages.
That's it.
For breakfast. I'm gonna go downstairs with him and get coffee.
That's what we're gonna do. Nope.
Guys, check it. I just got a giant bar of Rice Krispies. I love this stuff and I miss it so much. Time to eat some Rice Krispies. Oh yeah, plus we're going to M&Ms World now. Right, Dad?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go, I don't know where, but I think, yeah, he knows.
Hey, wait.
Tell the camera it's Times Square.
It's Times Square.
Yeah, it's Times Square, guys.
You're too close.
Yummy Rice Krispie treats while chilling in Times Square. Run, Forrest, run! Dad, can we go to the Disney store? Where are we?
Disney. The happiest place on earth.
Next stop, M&Ms World.
Hey, this is the happiest place on earth.
Yeah, right.
Please refer to the view screen to see your current color mood.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Amazing.
How did that, what? Cheers. This, a new dog tag.
You put it on the side, make sure that it doesn't get on the one side that rubs away the M&Ms, right?
Huh?
Don't put it on the side that rubs away the M&M. The metal to metal rubbing. Silly bugger. But this is stainless steel, this is aluminum. Cool.
Be the skill, guys.
Alright, it's too close. Okay.
Upside down.
Alright, stop it.
First one I go to, largest in the world.